Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we'll show you how to change user GitHub in a simple and safe way. This video will help you update your GitHub username while understanding what changes and why it matters. Step 1. Sign in to your GitHub account and go to the GitHub homepage. This is the main dashboard where you can access all account-related options. Step 2. Click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon opens a menu with settings and account tools. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click Settings to open your account settings. This section allows you to manage your profile, security, and account preferences. Step 4. In the Account section, find the Change Username option. This area is specifically designed for modifying your GitHub username safely. Step 5. Click Change Username. Review the warnings carefully, because changing your username can affect repository links, mentions, and references across GitHub. Step 6. Then enter your new desired username. Make sure the name is available and easy to remember for future use. Step 7. Click Change My Username to confirm and apply the new username. This final step officially updates your GitHub profile name. Step 8. Update your local Git repository URLs if needed, since your GitHub profile name has changed and local projects may still point to the old username. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Git and GitHub tutorials.